YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is a new and latest innovation. I want to give it a shout out from Vicky from Micro Novelty and then Dr. B.IT team for sending me this to do the review. This is the latest cordless water floss GF3, which will keep your beautiful smile shiny, bright, and teeth cleaning at all times. By the way, I'll be including the link that's going to show you within the description, so you guys could check them out. So this will remove 99% of food debris with the high pressure water pulse, 1600 pulse per minute, and it gives you like 3 different modes: pulse, short, and then normal, from gentle to strong for different sensitive teeth. An easy fill 6 ounce of water reservoir provides up to 40 seconds of water flossing action. It offers 30 days battery life once it is fully charged. It is portable, cordless, collapsible design, fit in bags and luggage while traveling, or if you go camping or any outdoor activity, fishing or whatever, which is pretty nice. And it is IPX7 waterproof. The battery is lithium battery, and then it comes with the rechargeable USB cable. So let's go and then unbox this and then show you guys what it look like. So it comes with this nice box. Let me go ahead and then cut it off. So like always, I'm going to show you guys 360 view at the box. So it's Dr. B.IT GF3 portable water floss. Then there's a product description right here. There's your QR code right there. And then here the description that I just went over earlier. So it is using a 3.7 volt DC. Okay, and this is made in China. Let's go ahead and unbox this. It's a tape. It's like opening an iPhone or something, so. Wow, look at that. So here's your charging port, which is a micro USB. So there's a button right here you press to remove the nozzle. So here's your water reservoir right here. And as you can see, there's like a rubber seal ring in an oval shape. Well, this is a pretty cool design. It's a 60 milliliter or 120 or up to 180 milliliter. So it's a collapsible, which is a pretty awesome design. Let's go ahead and see what else is in the box. So this is a plastic tray. So right here must be the instruction and then the charging cable. There you go. So it is a USB type A to micro USB charging cable. So before you use it, you want to go ahead and fully charge this overnight. And come with the instruction manual right here. Wow, pretty thick. So in different languages or multiple languages. Wow, come with this nice carrying pouch for travel. So they only give you one tip. Go ahead and open this up. So to attach it, you want to go ahead and put it right there on the hole right here and press this button. And then there you go. To remove it, you gotta press the button and then to release it. So it's fitting there pretty tight. Here's your on and off button right here. So it gives you 3 different modes. And then you unscrew this to add the water in there, as you can see. And this one is the O-ring right here. So yeah, let's go ahead and test this out and then show you guys real quick. So you guys want to know how strong this thing is. So, and then you can rotate the nozzle different direction. It gives a 360 angle, okay? So let's go ahead and test this out. All right, so we are here by the sink area. I'm just going to fill the water real quick and then show you guys, okay? So I'm going to remove this cap just by putting it up. Gonna add some water. Make sure the reservoir is up, not down. Yes, so that should be enough to test out for you guys. So I put the cap back on. I'm gonna rotate to the other way so it won't shoot at me, so there you go. So the first mode is the strongest mode. And then the second one. And then this one is the pulse. And then off. So high, low, and then pulsing. So you want to go ahead and finish all the water before you collapses. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Be sure to check out the link that's going to show you within the below. And then you can check out the product. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.